Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. That's where you can find me. Please follow me if you enjoy this. This is the second Target April 2019 mail order box. There were 5 boxes in April, 2 mail order, 3 in store. This is the second mail order one. The theme is April showers. April showers bring May flowers, but when the dark clouds roll in, who has the motivation to get dolled up? Here are rainy day products you need, which are sure to help you weather the storm and make a splash in your beauty arsenal. Oh, I'm so excited because these are fun little things. You can just have a little you day. So let's get into the product. Go ahead. April 2019, the second mail order box. Oop, drop something, drop the little info sheet. Now, this one has the coupon. The other one had like, you had to download like a code or something, but this one has the coupon. Coupon's expired, but I usually never end up using it anyway. Still, it's fun to have it. $3 off a purchase of 15 or more, and you can use it on cosmetics, skincare, or hair care, online or in store. So we have the Tigi Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. So it smooths hair and it imparts shine with anti-frizz properties that blocks out humidity. Use like a dime size. Put it on damp hair, and then your hair won't be frizzy. Mine's a little frizzy today. Probably should use some of that. Then we have Soap and Glory. I love Soap and Glory. They're so fun. Okay. Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. So those are those little patches that you put under your eye. How'd that look? So yeah, those little under eye patches, those are always great. They make your eyes look not puffy, they revitalize them. Also, if it's windy and stuff, I happen to get like little like irritations right in the cracks of my eyes, so that'll help with that too. Then we have the Dove Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. Target loves putting this dry shampoo in their beauty boxes, and I love getting dry shampoo because I just run through it like you would not believe. So yay, more dry shampoo. Then we have Crest 3D White. You know, the universe provides. I mentioned in a video that I was running out of toothpaste, and then I got like 3 boxes that had toothpaste in all of them. It's like the universe knows. So this is the Crest 3D White Brilliance toothpaste in vibrant peppermint. Crest is my favorite brand. Like literally, like I'm picky about toothpaste. I'm just picky about my teeth. Crest is my favorite brand. So, oh. Now I don't know if this is really a good tip that's on here because sometimes there's little tips. Oh, okay. Rub the white part of a lemon rind on teeth for a few minutes to help brighten a dull smile. Do not rub the lemon. The lemon will break down the enamel in your teeth. My dentist was like, don't eat raw lemons. Don't, yeah. So, yeah. Because I like Sour Patch Kids a lot. And so to try to curb my candy habit, I just tried, you know, eating sour lemons or whatever, but then my dentist was like, that will eat the enamel on your teeth, so don't do that. And then we have Degree Dry Spray, Black White. So it keeps you from getting the white under your arm. It's dry spray, antiperspirant, 48 hour, so you won't stink. And then finally we have Bliss, that's Incredipeel. It's glycolic acid spa strength glycolic resurfacing pad to smooth and brighten. So you rub it on your face, you don't rinse, you go to bed and use it overnight. Wake up to a brighter tomorrow. So those are all the rainy day beauty things from the April Target beauty box. This is where you can find me. Until next time, stay beautiful.